Today I'm going to be testing the AR10 against the old school M1A1, both chambered in 308. I'm going to be putting 2 rounds downrange on just a standard target. I am shooting this kind of freestyle. These are heavy guns. I've also got the Silencer Co. Sith on this one right here. And then I'm going to be putting 2 rounds into our ballistic dummy. I'm going to try for his chest cavity. We're just using standard 308 round ball ammunition. Pulled a little bit. It looks like I was actually aiming for about right in here. It looks like I've got 1 round right there and another one right there that I don't believe existed. His back is totally blown out, to be expected on a 308. If you check out the back side of this guy, he's dead. It's pretty impressive. I probably need to look at my sights. I've got him sighted in for about 100 yards. And we're shooting at about 45 yards, so maybe I should have held up a little bit higher on his chest cavity. Like I said, I was aiming about middle of his chest cavity, so they hit a little bit low. What tells me that I was keeping a good grouping or whatever is that my shots are kind of parallel there, so I didn't think I was pulling it. If you look at the back side of this thing, obviously this is our makeshift wall. This is drywall, 2x4 framing, and some 7/16 plywood. It went right through it. It's another reason why I do not believe you should use a 308 for home defense. So now what's up is the M1A1 chambered in 308. This is considered the SOCOM 16. This thing is heavy. I've got the Velos, Silencer Co. Velos on it. I'm gonna try to aim more for the chest cavity. I've got some other rounds kind of down in the abdomen area, so we're gonna see if we can get that on target this time. Let's check it out, see what we can do. Normally, the M1A1 is crazy loud, and with that silencer, it's actually very reasonable. The M1A1 is a straight shot through. The gas operated is crazy. It will blow your damn eardrums out without any hearing protection, and even with the hearing protection, it is loud. That made it really nice. We got one almost in his neck, and I end up hitting one right here. It blew out his back. It's a 308, guys. It's not like your typical home defense round. So hit the back wise, just like on the AR10, I mean, they're gonna have basically the same velocity. This is the M1A1, and here's my other shot of the M1A1. It might even be coming out of him a little bit sideways for it to rip, or it's just moving at a velocity that's tearing things apart. So we actually heard it hit the berm back behind it. Remember, we're running silencers on this thing, so we could actually hear the impact of it hitting the ground. Pretty impressive. So my other 2 rounds, M1A1 308, I hit a little bit low. If this is your upper part of your body, you're still hurting, but I need to work on that. I don't know, silencers, suppressors sometimes mess with the trajectory, sometimes mess with some of the pressures on some of those guns. Thought I had it a little bit better. I would have thought it would have shot a little bit high at 45 yards compared to, I sighted it in at 100 without a silencer, without a suppressor. I need to practice around a little bit on that and see what I have that exactly sighted in at. And I'm not always running a suppressor on that weapon. So on either one of them, on my AR10, that's kind of my hunting rifle. I do got a little bit more work to do on this one right here. We were only at about 45 yards. It was shooting a little bit low, so I don't know if the silencer was messing with that. I need to kind of play around with it, put more rounds downrange. I've got about 80 rounds through this rifle, that's it. Probably about 120 through the other one. These aren't guns that you just can afford to just put multiple rounds down range all day like you can the AR-15, 5.56, or the 9mm. These are expensive rounds. As you get up there and a little bit bigger bullet, it costs more. I did put a little test. I wanted to see kneeling, if I could hit a few bottles. I only had 3 rounds left today, and I had 3 bottles out there. I only hit 2 of them. I think I missed it just to the right, just a little bit, and that was just breathing, or I may have pulled a little bit. So it is what it is. It's all fun. As long as I'm on the gun range enjoying this nice weather we've had today. This is all I'd rather be doing, and just shooting guns. I appreciate everybody watching. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe and share it with a friend. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and we appreciate everybody. Remember this: God, family, country.